Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a fun day. It is currently dark, dull and very wet in Northern Ireland. So in order to brighten up my day, I thought it would be good to do this little Cadbury's milk chocolate advent calendar. So I did one of these calendars last year and it proved to be exceptionally popular. So this is our 2020 version of our Galaxy, or not our Galaxy, our Cadbury's Dairymilk. Okay, without wasting any time, because we have 24 days, I think, yeah, we have 24 days. We're just going to get right into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and find day one. So day one is here, and if I remember rightly, they had little things on the window in last year's advent calendar. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my gosh. Let's do this. Oh, I like the way they have them sealed. So that's pretty cool. So on day one, oh, I've just ripped the calendar. I always destroy these little calendars. In day one, we have a reindeer, and it's the Christmas countdown. So day one is pretty awesome. Day two, where are you? Finding these little windows is probably the hardest part in an advent calendar. But day two, we'll rip that right off, and then we'll pull our chocolate out. In day two, we have, these are super hard to make out. Is that an elf? Oh, a little elf. And day two says, can you do a Christmas dance? Not very well, I think. Day number three, where are you? Oh, day number three is right up here, right at the very top. These windows are super difficult to get open. I guess it's to stop the chocolate falling out or the chocolate going off. If I have destroyed this calendar, the chocolate may be going off if they pop open a little bit. So day three is Santa Claus. Yay, we love Santa. And behind window number three, we have you written to Santa? I haven't written to Santa yet. However, I'm definitely going to, because there are things that I want for Christmas that I want to make sure Santa knows about. So let's go to day number four. Oh my gosh, where are you, day number four? Let's find you. Can you guys see day number four? Oh my gosh, I'm really struggling. Day number four, right here. I find it. So I'm going to push it in and then pull it out. And we'll check out our chocolate first. Oh, it's a snowman. This one is so easy to say. Love that. And behind day number four, it's give hugs at Christmas. I think it's really important to give hugs at Christmas. Make sure that the people that you love know that you definitely love them. And it's always nice to get a little hug. Let's go and find day number five. Right down here at the bottom. Oh, this one was super easy to open. So let's pop off our day five. Let's see. Ooh, whoa, that's interesting. Day number five is another little elf. Cute little elf. Behind day number five, we have, is it snowing yet? No, it definitely isn't snowing. Not in Northern Ireland. And if I can help it, I hope it doesn't snow. I know you guys might love snow. I'm not a real avid lover of snow. I think I fell in it as a child and I've never really recovered. So we're going to go ahead and open day number 6. And we'll take that. Let's see what chocolate we got. Now, if you guys have not, this one's difficult. This one does not want to come out. If you guys have not tasted Dairymilk Cadbury's chocolate, oh my gosh, you don't know what you're missing. It is creamy and milky and delicious. One of my favorite, not my ultimate favorite, but definitely in the top 2. My ultimate favorite is Galaxy chocolate. It is smooth and light. I love it. So day number 6, we have another little snowman. And behind day number 6, we have, what are you wishing for? Guys, that's a really excellent question. Leave comments in the comment section below and tell me what you're wishing for Christmas. I would really love to know. Let's go ahead and find number 7. Number 7, where are you, number 7? Can you see it? Can anyone see it? I see it. Number 7 is right here. Let's pop our door open and let's pop it off. See what chocolate we got. What do we have here? I love behind every little window you're getting, I don't even know if you guys can see, you're getting a little picture. So we have a sleigh, we have presents, more presents, a Santa hat, we have a snowflake. Not sure what that is. But day number 7, we have another little elf face. Cute. Behind day number 7, we have how many days to go? Definitely more than 24 that we have in this calendar, guys. So let's look for day 2. No, we're looking for day 8. Isn't that right? 8. Where are you? I thought I saw 8 somewhere handy. Not so. Day 8. Where are you? Was that day 7? Yeah. Oh, 8 is right here, right up by Santa's hat. We'll pop you open, pop it off, and let's see what chocolate we got behind here. This looks like this is a little robin. I think it's a robin. If you guys know any better, let me know in the comments section below. And behind the little window, we got another little sleigh. Behind number 8 door, can you draw Santa's sleigh? I only wish I could. Unfortunately, I'm not that arty. If you guys are, let me know in the comments below. Let's look for number 9, right down here with the gorgeous little Christmas lights. I love Christmas lights. I try to be really mindful that I don't want to burn too much electricity. So I try to be careful with how many lights I buy, but I do end up putting up a lot. Behind this little window, we have a Christmas present. We have another little cutesy elf cheeky face. Behind day number 9, it's Sing a Christmas Song. Guys, let me know in the comment section below what's your favourite Christmas song. I cannot sing either. Wish I could. That was day number 9. Day number 10 is right up here by our Dairymilk sign. And we'll just tear that door open. Take off our tin foil. Whoa! Behind that little window, we have yet another snowflake. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think this is another reindeer. And I don't know if I have it upside down or not. But I do think it's this way. And I do think because of the little antlers, it's a reindeer. Behind window number 10, we have Jingle All the Way. I love that song, Jingle Bells. Can't sing, so I'm not going to. But I do love that little song. Number 11 is right down at the bottom beside our Christmas presents. One of my favorite things about Christmas, apart from being with my family, being with my family is definitely the biggest part of Christmas for me. It's so much fun. And we have another little present. Who do we have? I think we have another little robin. Cute. Behind day number 11, can you tell us a Christmas joke? Okay, guys, that one is actually pretty cool. Tell me your favorite Christmas joke in the comments below. And I'll definitely thumbs up and heart your comments. Let's go for day number 12, which is right over here. And we'll just tear that window right off. Let's see what gorgeous, delicious chocolate we have back here. Okay, and we have another little present behind that window. Adorable. We have a cheeky little elf. I like this little smirk. It's quite cute. Behind day number 12, we have, can you juggle 3 snowballs? Well, actually, yes, I can. Maybe not 3 snowballs, but definitely 3 tennis balls. Day 13, right in the middle of Santa's beard. Let's pop that right off. Let's look at our cute, gorgeous chocolate. Behind this little window, we have another present. Very cute. We have another little snowman. Adorable. And behind day number 13, we have Where Does Santa Live? Do you guys know where Santa lives? Comment section below. Let's go for day 14. Where are you? I saw 14. 14's on the other side of Santa's beard. Let's not try and destroy the rest of the calendar. Okay, so we're just going to pop that window right off. Behind our little window, we have a sleigh. We have another little robin. And we have, don't forget mince pies for Santa. And also don't forget the milk, because Santa needs something to wash that down with. Let's go for day number 15. Right down here at the bottom with our Christmas lights. Let's push it in. And let's pop off our window. Let's pull off that. Let's see what we got. Another present. I'm happy with that. I love presents. We got another little reindeer. I'm totally fine with getting duplicates in the chocolate, because chocolate's chocolate and I'm going to eat it regardless. So I don't mind. I don't mind getting a couple of different snowmen and stuff like that. I thought the Santa one is my favorite so far. So behind day 15, let it snow. Okay, if you guys really like snow, then I'm happy to let it snow. And I wish for snow for you guys. Day number 16. Let's pop in our window. Pop off the little door. Let's see what chocolate we got. Delicious chocolate. I think we've lost some down here. Or we got an extra piece. Cool. Another little present. Another cheeky elf. And behind door 16 we have, how many reindeers does Santa have? Again, guys, I know the answer to this. Do you know? If you do, leave it in the comments below. That was day 16. Let's look for 17. Guys, we're getting so close to the end of this little advent calendar. 17. And our chocolate wants to pop out. Yep, it does. Let's pop off that wee window. Oh, we've got a Christmas tree, something different. That is totally cute. We have another Santa Claus. I love it. Behind door 17, it says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Let's go ahead and go to 18. Oh, nearly there, guys. 18. Let's have a look and see what we got. We got another present. Can you guys see that? Another present. And we got a cheeky elf. Cheeky elf. Behind door 18, we have who ate all the mince pies. Well, I think we know. We think it was Santa. Let's go to day 19 right here. We'll pop off our little door. We'll take out our little chocolate. And what do we get behind that? Another present. Wow, I wish I got as many presents as this calendar's getting. Another little snowman. Behind day number 19, it says, how excited are you now? Super excited. Can't wait. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So that's how excited I am. How excited are you guys? Day number 20. Let's see what we got. We got another little Christmas tree. Adorable. I love it. And a Santa. Cute. Day number 20. Hi. Can you draw Santa? I can't. Can you guys? Let me know. Let's go for day 21. Right up here at the very, very top. Let's pull off our door. Pull back. Pull back our foil, and we've got another little present. We have another robin, I think. Guys, if this is not a robin, let me know in the comments section below. But behind door 21, oh, have a magical Christmas. And I really, really wish you guys a magical Christmas. Let's go for day 22. Not long to go. Let's pop that right out. Pull off the door. Pull back our foil, pop out our chocolate, and we have another present. Yay! We have a reindeer. We love it. Behind door 22, clean the chimney. Santa's coming. Yep, clean it. Make sure you don't get Santa's suit all dirty. We don't want that. Day 23. If we can get through day 23, let's pull back our foil, pop out our chocolate, and we have a little snowflake. Adorable. We have another cheeky elf. love a cheeky elf, and it says Santa's loading his sleigh. So on day 23, Santa loads his sleigh. That's pretty cool. Last one, guys, day 24, right here. I'm just going to turn this on the side just so that it makes it easier for you guys to see. We'll pull back our foil, pop out our chocolate, and we get Santa. The first time we've seen Santa on the back print, so that's pretty awesome, and that's a very cute Santa. And we also get a Santa chocolate. I love it. And day 24, we have Santa's on his way. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait for Christmas. I swear, it's my favorite time of the year. I love the run up to Christmas. It makes me so happy. I love knowing that my family's all going to be together, and it just makes me super, super happy. Guys, I really hope you liked this video. I loved doing this video for you. And if you do, please smash that thumbs up. If you are not yet a subscriber and you'd like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, just hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I wish you all an amazing Christmas, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.